Yo, the nigga's booty is out right at the start of the video, bro. What is that? Come on, man. Crazy work. But does he understand how origami works? Because origami is a singular piece of paper that is folded. It's not two things that come together to create a piece of origami. Unless he's referring to the two sides coming together. But I mean, he's a street nigga. He might not be that smart. I can't lie. This song is actually this song is fire. I think realistically, the song is a little bit too street nigga for the neighborhood that I'm in. Actually, it's kind of putting me in what you would call an uncomfortable situation. Like I feel uncomfortably white listening to this song right now. She don't got no common sense. I call boy, he gon' bring the llama in. He ain't got a lot of common sense. I call some boy up, he bring the llamas in. Now, why y'all always referring to the weapons and everything as animals? Or is the llama even dangerous? They'll bring the llamas in because llama be spitting. Okay, I told y'all niggas. I'm a little bit too white for this. Show my toxin, trying to get her rocks in. Me, you're gonna get like origami. But me and money go together like origami. Who the fuck are you, nigga? Get the Tommy. Things on things, and they look like zombies. Me and the chat go together like origami. Okay, all right.